In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write vertical text in Adobe Photoshop using two simple methods that anyone can follow. Whether you're designing posters, social media graphics, or creative typography layouts, vertical text can instantly make your design stand out. I'll walk you through the best method, plus an alternative approach depending on the style you're going for. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to cover the best and most direct way to create vertical text in Photoshop, and that's by using the vertical type tool. Go ahead and open Photoshop and either create a new document or open an existing project. Now, look over to your toolbar on the left and find the type tool, which is represented by the letter T. Click and hold on that type tool. Use the type tool and you'll see more options appear. From this list, select the vertical type tool. Once you've selected it, click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. You'll immediately notice that your text appears from top to bottom instead of left to right. This is perfect for clean vertical layouts, especially for things like titles, banners, or modern design styles. You can still customize your text just like normal. Change the font, size, color, spacing, and alignment from the top menu. This method keeps your text properly aligned vertically, making it the best option in most cases. Now let's take a look at the second method, which is rotating text. This is useful if you want a sideways vertical effect rather than top to bottom text flow. Start by selecting the regular type tool again and type your text normally on the canvas. Once your text is created, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to activate Free Transform. You'll see a bounding box appear around your text. Next, move your cursor just outside one of the corners until it turns into a curved arrow. Click and rotate the text 90 degrees. You can hold a shift while rotating to snap it perfectly into position. Once you're happy with the angle, press enter to confirm. And just like that, your text is now vertical, but in a rotated, sideways style. So to quickly recap, if you want true vertical text that reads from top to bottom, use the vertical type tool. If you want a rotated, stylized vertical look, use the transform method. Both are super easy and useful depending on your design needs. And that's it. You now know how to write vertical text in Adobe Photoshop using two simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.